in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my got a yo.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. Today's unit is from LuvMe Hair, and this is their ombre chocolate brown curly compact 13x4 frontal lace wig. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on her, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. But alright, let's go.
I need
Like, I have a lot of LuvMe hair units, but I think that this one might be my favorite thus far. Like, y'all. Okay, so let's talk about Miss Ombre Chocolate Brown. The cap construction, as you saw, has 4 combs in total, one of them being in the back, the other 3 being in the very front. With those 3, 2 of them are located on each side. Well, one of the 2 are located on each side, and then the third is located in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps, that way you can make it as tight or as loose as you would like it to be. And then it also has a security band inside. This is a 13x4, so therefore you get 13 inches going across the front and 4 inches going straight back right in the middle. According to the website, the lace is said to be a Swiss lace with medium brown tint. To me personally, it looked light brown, but hey, with a little bit of foundation and powder, it melted flawlessly, so does it really matter? This unit is 100% human hair, which means you can dye her if you choose to do so. Me personally, I wouldn't touch her because I think they did a phenomenal job with the dye job that they did. The texture of this unit is deep wave, and it only comes in 18 inches long. According to the website, the density of this unit is 180, and I would agree. I believe it's a 180% density. The last spec or product detail I want to talk about that's mentioned on the website is that it says that this unit was pre-plucked. To me personally, it was not pre-plucked. The hairline seemed very dense, but I mean, it took no time and not a whole lot of effort, honestly, to pluck her. Now, you guys know I'm not a pro plucker. I am just starting. I think this is my second unit. Yeah, it's my second unit that I've plucked, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. I feel like had I kept the hairline how it was, I'm not gonna necessarily say it would have looked very wiggy, but the hairline definitely would have looked more rounded out versus how it looks now, in my opinion. I hope I'm making sense. Now, normally this would be the time where I would go in and tell you all about my pros and cons regarding the unit, and of course I would always start with the cons first. I honestly have no cons when it comes to this unit. The only one that I could possibly think of would have been the hairline or the pre-plucked hairline, but like I said, it took no time and no effort for me to pluck it, especially seeing as how, like I just mentioned, I'm not a professional plucker. Now, as far as my pros go regarding this unit, I mean, let's be real, the unit speaks for itself. The color, the curl pattern, the fact that the lace melted flawlessly, and I didn't use any glue. I mean, like, let's be real, look at her. Now my ear tabs are lifting, but mind your business, okay? I should probably use some glue there, but mind your business, okay? You won't see it anyways. Also, the fact that this unit fits so good on my head, that means it is a big head friendly. We all knew that though. I am just so impressed and so pleased with this unit. Like I said earlier, I have a lot of LuvMe hair units, but yo, this really might be my favorite. One other thing I want to mention before hopping into the price of this unit is the title of this unit. Now it says Ombre Chocolate Brown Curly Compact 13x4 Frontal Lace Wig. The compact part is what's standing out to me, and I feel like LuvMe Hair does a really good job of showing like what a compact unit is. So it shows the normal 13x4, and obviously you're going to get the 13 inches across the front on both units, but with a normal 13x4 you're going to get the 4 inches going across the unit as well. So therefore, if you are someone who likes a really deep part on the sides, you'll probably want to go for one of those units versus something that says compact. The compact part is going to be the 4 inches just in the middle. I really hope I made sense. If not, I'm pretty sure I popped the picture up on one side of the screen, so yeah. Okay, so lastly, let's talk about the price of this unit. On LuvMe Hair's website, this unit does retail for $309.90, $310 basically, but I do have a coupon code that you can use, and I'll pop it up right here across the screen. That will bring the unit down to $247.92, which is basically $248. But the good thing about LuvMe Hair is that they do offer Afterpay, Klarna, and Zip, so therefore you could pay for this unit in 4 separate installments over the time span of, I want to say it's 6 weeks. I personally think that's a really good deal for this unit, especially seeing as how you can have her for more than a year, but of course that's with the proper maintenance and care of her. But these are all my personal opinions. I'm not going to try to convince you to get her anymore. I feel like the unit speaks for herself. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to leave a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Love forever.